Today I am so excited to film this video for you guys. This is my first unboxing of Boxycharm. Okay, that's a tongue twister. I'm so excited to open this. I've never had a subscription box and this is my first time, so I am going to film this for you and let you guys know what I received in this package. For those who don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a subscription box that you sign up monthly. You pay a fee of $21 each month, and in each month you receive 4 to 5 full-size items. It's ranging from beauty to skincare to beauty tools, so it can be something for your skin, or it could be like a makeup product, or it could be a face product like a brush or something. So if you're looking into trying out new makeups or just, you know, something new each month, then I would recommend Boxycharm because you get a variety of different things that you can try. Like, what I like about Boxycharm is that you get to try new things. So you don't have to spend that full amount to buy that full-size product, because you're going to get you're going to pay $21, and you're going to get 4 to 5 different full-size products. So I mean, it's a win-win. You know, if you don't like it, then you didn't really pay too much for it. So without further ado, let's open this box and see what I got. My Boxycharm. Now I'm going to open this up. Let's see. So excited. So this is, I believe, the box for January. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it is the box for January because I've been following other people and they've been talking about this. Okay, so we're going to start with, let's see what we have here. I'm just going to pull something out. This is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer Base Lumiere by Dr. Brandt. So this is what it looks like. This is a luminizer primer. Delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. Okay, this is a good item, and this is a full-size product, so this is pretty good. Put this down here. Let's get something else. The Brow Power. Okay, so this one is a, where is it at? This is it's developed by plastic surgeons. It Cosmetics' #1 best-selling, award-winning eyebrow pencil. It is infused with brow-enhancing biotin, lecithin, saw palmetto, lentil, green tea, antioxidants, grapeseed, and vitamins A, B5, C, and E. Okay, there's a lot of info on this one, so I guess it's really good. It's a #1 seller. I've used brow pencils before, so we'll give it a go. Right now I'm using the Anastasia Brow Dip, but I'll definitely try this out and see. And this retails for $24, and this retails for $38. So you're already getting more than what you paid for. So, you know, looking pretty good. I'm really excited. Okay, next item. This is GrandeLips Hydrating Lip Plumper. Okay, this is what it looks. This is what the packaging looks like. And this retails for $27. This lip plumper infused with volume lip. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. Okay, let's try the next one. 2 more things in here. Okay, so I saw this on other YouTubers' videos. This is the Pure Bronze and Brighter. And I saw that some people, there's a tape. Notice in some people's videos, their palettes came out broken, so cross my fingers, hopefully it didn't break. I'm so excited. No, it didn't break. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. So we got a bronzer, highlighter, and like I'm forgetting, blush. So we got a bronzer, highlighter, and a blush. So that's pretty nice. It's really cute. I like the colors. Okay. Oh, and this mirror is really good. I'm liking this. Okay, enough with that. Okay, next product. Dun, 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 dun. I've seen this. This is a eyeshadow palette. Now let's open this. I hope it didn't break. Wow, this is really nice. These shadows are beautiful. can't wait to swatch these. I love these. And I'm so happy that none of them are broken. Like, I mean, that sucks if you get something and it's broken, you know, but I'm sure you can call and see if they can send you a new one. So, okay, let me read you the info on this. This is the, okay, this is the Crown. Let me hold it up to you. This is the Crown Metals palette. This retails for $25. It says, rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. These highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make smoky eye looks a breeze. Awesome. Okay, so these are what the colors look like. They're very beautiful. They're all shimmery colors, so you'd probably have to use another eyeshadow to, you know, transition the glittery powder. So yeah, it's nice. I mean, I would definitely use these colors. I could already imagine some looks with these. I'm so excited I can add another palette to my collection. So excited. So to end with this video, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed these unboxings, make sure to subscribe down below. I will be doing Boxycharm unboxings from now on. Okay, that is a tongue twister. Okay, if you like this unboxing of Boxycharm, make sure to subscribe down below. I will be doing these every month and I will be showing you what I get. And if you'd like to see how these products work out for me, then don't forget to subscribe. I will be doing a video using these products. So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in the next video. Bye!